At Ronald McDonald House Charities, our purpose is clear: caring for families with children who are ill or injured. For over 50 years, RMHC has been a beacon of hope for families during challenging times. Here in India, our mission continues with RMHC India. Established in 2016, RMHC India opened its first family room in Mumbai in partnership with Bhai Jarbai Wadia Hospital. Since its inception, this family room has become a source of comfort and impacted thousands of lives. Annually, it is used more than 3,000 times by children and their loved ones, and is supported by a dedicated community of volunteers who bring compassion and care to life. Building on this success, RMHC India has expanded its reach, opening its second family room at the Government Cancer Hospital in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, formerly known as Aurangabad. Located on the first floor of the Pediatric Department, this new space represents a promise to offer a peaceful retreat for families while their children receive treatment for cancer. With a comfortable waiting area, rest zones, and clean child-friendly play spaces, it's designed to ease the emotional and physical burdens of long hospital stays, allowing families to recharge and stay strong for their loved ones. While the family room in Mumbai became a beacon of hope, we recognized that thousands of families from the Marathwada region often couldn't travel to Mumbai for treatment. Many would seek care in this government cancer hospital. To meet their needs, RMHC India partnered with the hospital to bring comfort closer to home. This family room now serves not only families from Marathwada, but also those from Vidarbha and border regions of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka.
Our expansion to the Government Cancer Hospital in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar is a key milestone in our commitment to provide critical support to families in need. By establishing this family room, we can extend care and resources to even more children and their families, especially in Tier 2 towns and hinterlands of Maharashtra and neighbouring regions. The initiative reinforces our mission to ensure that care is not just limited to medical treatment, but extends to the emotional well-being of both patients and their families.
Through valued partnerships with hospitals like the Government Cancer Hospital, RMHC India is creating havens of love, care, and strength for families in their most vulnerable moments. These are more than just spaces. They are lifelines of hope, offering comfort when it's needed the most. With every family room we open, we reaffirm our simple yet profound mission to keep families close and bring compassion and care to countless lives across India.